Okay, so now I want to demonstrate the glove in display. Right now I have a front end running from a script I wrote. So here, like an example, imagine this is like on a phone application. You have like test subject, so you could do, right now I just do like any person name. So I just write my name. And then the test label could be like test one, could be anything, like multiple, ideally, like when you're doing this for a test for one person, you would run like at least like 5 tests, right? To get some very accurate data. And then the notes can be something optional, but like for right now, before I click begin assessment, what I do is I wear the glove. So I can show you right now, it doesn't fit my finger, but I can adjust it right here. I put all the fingers in this. Okay. And then now I go take a resting position. This measures like the baseline. So like what it is when I'm not, I'm at rest and not like inducing any exercise that would trigger tremor. So now when I begin assessment, it will prompt me. So I have to be very quiet for this. I have to hold still. Okay, and then now I will simulate tremor. Okay, so now you see like here, my resting, I was actually so still that it's less than the normal average. So I have some data in the data set. This is the average data so far. So my resting tremor was actually lower right here. But the tremor power, when I was simulating, I was a bit higher than the normal person. So you can see here that it's at 9.6 instead of 5.8. So yes, that wraps up the end of my demo. And so essentially you can see you have this framework where you have this monitoring system that can be used at home, anyone's home. And it will periodically, like weekly or bi-weekly, as the doctor order, track the patient's tremor level and then send it all to a cloud application that the doctor can monitor. And so when the doctor sees something irregular, maybe not once, but a trend starts showing, they can just call them in for a patient visit and do any type of checkup as necessary. And so that would save a lot of time and money for both parties. And that's it.